अब हम योग निद्रा करेंगे। योग की नींद, निद्रा का अर्थ होता है नींद, स्लीपिंग इन योगा पोस्चर। इसमें क्या है कि मैं गाइड करूंगा, गाइडेड निद्रा है, एक तरह से गाइडेड स्लीपिंग है ये। इसमें सोना नहीं होता, मन काम करता रहता है, लेकिन शरीर बॉडी एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाती है। और मन का मैंने बताया था आपको कि हमारी पूरी बॉडी पर, पूरे व्यवहार पर मन का प्रभाव पड़ता है। तो इसका अनुभव आप अभी कर लोगे जब मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा कि कैसे कैसे करना है, मन को चलाएंगे रिलैक्स के लिए, तो आपकी बॉडी एकदम फील करेगी और आपको लगेगा कि हाँ सचमुच में गाड़ी हमारा मन हमारी बॉडी को रिलैक्स कर रहा है। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी मतलब रिलैक्सेशन का एक टेक्निक हमारे ऋषियों ने अपनाई थी, और इसको पूरे वर्ल्ड के लोग अपना रहे हैं योग निद्रा को। 10 मिनट में ही आप बिल्कुल एकदम फ्रेश उठोगे। आराम से लेट जाइए, बिल्कुल सीधे। मैं भी साथ साथ कर लेता हूँ आपके। बिल्कुल आराम से लेट जाइए। अपने गर्दन को एकदम रिलैक्स कर दीजिए। आंखों पर जो तनाव है उसको रिलैक्स कर दीजिए, उसको हटा दीजिए, आंखों को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स कर लीजिए। चेहरे पर तनाव को हटा दीजिए। गर्दन को एकदम रिलैक्स, गर्दन की मांसपेशियों को एकदम रिलैक्स कर दीजिए, ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। अब आपका सिर का पार्ट गर्दन से लेकर के ऊपर तक पूरा रिलैक्स हो गया है, एकदम तनाव फ्री हो गया है। अब सेशन गोइंग डाउन टुवर्ड्स राइट एल्बो, दैट इज द stress of your body. Now right elbow you are feeling some heavy, and all stress going down towards your right wrist. You are feeling some sensation going down, that is the stress of your right hand. Now right wrist is going some warm and heavy, and elbow is relaxed completely. Now whole stress entering in your right palm. Right palm becoming some warm and heavy, and right wrist is going to be free from the stress. Right palm, right fingers, thumb are full of stress and heavy and warm. Some sensation you are feeling in your right palm. Now this stress going outside from your palm through your tips of fingers. Slowly you are feeling some warmness, stress releasing through your fingers. Right palm becoming relaxed. Now whole stress released from the right palm, and right palm, fingers, thumb is free from the stress. Now focus on your left shoulder same way, and release your stress through your mental power towards your left elbow. Left shoulder is free, left elbow is heavy, and some sensation going down towards your left wrist. This is the stress going down, you are feeling. Now rest. Left wrist is becoming heavy because all stress entering in left wrist. Now all stress entering in your left palm, and you are clearly feeling left palm is becoming heavy and warm. This is the stress. The fingers are becoming heavy and warm. Whole stress entered in your left palm. Now stress releasing through fingers, going outside, full stress, left palm coming free from the stress. Now completely stress goes out. Your left palm also free from the stress. Both the hands are free from the stress, more relaxed. Now focus on your chest. Focus on left side your ribs. Whole stress of your chest going down, releasing the first rib, second rib, then entering third rib. Whole stress of your chest going down. Now your all ribs of left side are free. Now concentrate on your right ribs. Legs are becoming free from the stress going down. Slowly. Now third rib, now fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, going down. Now right chest is free. Whole chest is free from the stress. Now focus on your stomach. And by your mental power, release your stress from the stomach, going towards your thighs. Whole stomach free from stress. Focus on right thigh is heavy. Whole stress of your right part entered in right thigh, and whole stress going towards your right knee. You are feeling clearly sensations in your right thigh. Your right knee is becoming heavy, warm. Now stress entering your right calf. Whole problem your right knee is pain, releasing towards your right calf. Right knee is free completely. Right calf is heavy, going down towards your right ankle. Now entering in right sole. Right heel is becoming heavy. Right sole is becoming heavy. Palm is becoming heavy. Toes becoming warm and heavy. Whole right legs stress entered in your right sole. Now releasing whole stress through your right toes. Going out, you are feeling clearly. Right sole becoming light. Whole stress released completely from the right sole. Right leg, right heel, right sole, right toes are free from the stress, and you are feeling differently from the left. Now focus on your left thigh. whole stress going down towards your left knee. Now knee is becoming heavy. Now whole stress and whole pain of your left knee entering in your left calf. Slowly, slowly, whole stress and pain of left knee entered in your left calf. Now entered in your left ankle, and slowly, slowly, whole stress and pain entering your left sole. Left sole becoming heavy and warm. You are feeling clearly. Now whole stress releasing through your toes. Now right sole also relaxed completely. Right leg is completely relaxed. You are relaxed person. Now focus on your heart. Feel the heartbeat in your left side of your chest and relax your heart. Observe the function of your heart. Heart supply the blood whole body. Observe the process of your heart. Blood coming in your heart. Heart supply the blood to the lungs. From there, blood release the carbon dioxide and takes the oxygen. Again, oxygenated blood comes in your heart, and heart supply the whole oxygenated blood to your body. What is the amazing system made by God in our body? Without taking rest, 24 hours, running this part in our body, supply the blood in our body. So completely focus on your heart and relax completely. Now heart is relaxed completely. Now observe by your mental power your lungs system. What a wonderful mechanism here. We taking breath, we inhaling, breath release their oxygen, takes from their carbon dioxide, goes out. Lungs supply the oxygen to the blood and take from there the carbon dioxide. What a wonderful mechanism made by God. So relax your lungs. Take a deep breath. Give the energy to the lungs completely. Remove your bad habits like smoking. Because smoking is very bad thing to the lungs. Now lungs are completely relaxed. Now focus on your stomach. Observe the digestion system. Observe the spleen, kidneys. Relax them. Pancreas. Relax through your mental power. Large intestine, small intestine. Relax all part of your stomach. Now focus front of your nostril on your breath. Now imagine you are lie down in a park. There is a grass. There is a beautiful flower. There are beautiful plants. And you are lying down between them. And you are feeling sleepy. And you are sleeping there. You are taking rest completely. Now you are completely relaxed person. Now slowly move your body, remain, close your eyes. Turn over left side, slowly remain, close your eyes. And slowly sit down. Turn over left side first, then sit down slowly. Remain, close your eyes. Now be silent. Now rub your palm and rub your eyes slowly. Now cover your eyes with your palm. Make a completely dark front of your eyes. Open your eyes in the darkness of your palm. Slowly remove your palm. This is the Yoga Nidra. How you are feeling now? Now, now let me know, Buddha ji.
बहुत बढ़िया लगी सबसे बढ़िया लगा जी
हाँ जी, DSW साहब.